Habau ba DP walang ulah syong that na nakakam kom tala pendap ban soi ki kot kisla rengkat lang badu Dr. Shakil P. Ahmed. Ban hadin kani ulah IT ke Shuki Chief Secretary hu Dr. Shakil ban aduk kani kesengi ha kabalai don lang ki Head Officer IAS ke jela ke bekmi ki tenat boper. Ki Head Officer ke jela ke ai kublai u ba DP walang ulah syong that na nakakam bat kila pediang buram bat ket bob ket ruyang yau Dr. Shakil P. Ahmed ulah Shimti ku Chief Secretary Thymmai ke jela. Dr. Shakil rengkat lang bat ki Head Officer IAS kila lej on yo ba DP walang haduk kekali hakapor bulamino na Secretariat. Haba pai kendiat chapang Chief Secretary Thymmai ke jela laka bat kenhe pensan yau Dr. Shakil P. Ahmed ha marakar kandi kanur bat nang ne ulat trishtam bat yo bat mentai ke keran ke bahe komu officer ke jela Meghalaya. Dr. Shakil P. Ahmed larung ke kam IAS sakasnam syajar kendai sepak kendai pusan ha gaba ulah syakri ha ke office menteri rang badu kari bat latung yu komu director jong ke office menteri rang badu kari baru yo ban syakri ki arngot ki menteri rang badu kari ki bakentup Dr. Manmohan Singh bat Narendra Modi ulat reiru bagat tenat kambari ha ke Embassy of India ke Bandar Moscow ha gaba ulah peniat ki kam khai pateng jekri India shiki khat kendai te dikiri ulah longru CEO jong National Center for Cold Chain Development CEO ke RECT PCL bat REC PDCL, CMD jong National Horticulture Board. Dr. Shakil Welongru Chairperson jong Coconut Development Board, Cochin, UMD jong National Horticulture Mission and Bamboo Mission, bat ulah penwandur bat pentreka mega Horticulture Revival Package naga bentaga Jammu bat Kashmir. Ulio pediangru iki khusnam ki bagentup ya UN Award for Community Based Tourism, ka British Parliament Award halor ke jingelam ya kari India ban penpoy ke body electric lengba ka program Saubhagya Shaki Lai Point Reu Klor Teliki Long Yeng bat ya ka IUCN Award na ke benta ke jingtai ya ki Fish Sanctuary.
Thank you very much. State has a clearly laid out agenda. There's a long-term plan for the state set by the Honorable Chief Minister, and it is prepared collectively by the entire state till about 2032. So definitely, as one of the senior member of the team, I'll also try to guide it faster, quicker, better within my capacity. I'm confident that the entire team is quite committed, sincere, and definitely under the guidance of Honorable Chief Minister and the Cabinet Ministers, we should be able to tread through. Yeah. Thank you very much.
So one thing is that just want to get a kind of statement or kind of encouragement from you. Like there are many youth from our state that have attempted to these competitive exams in UPSC to become IAS or IPS. Some of them couldn't manage. So what is the kind of message that you want to give to the youth of India? Because my last question.
So before coming here, actually the NABARD senior officers came to me. I was telling even the finance portfolio is a huge area where people can get employed. Fintech, accounting. So sector-wise, definitely with our own team, we would even, it's already done work and we'll just kind of review it. And wherever there is a huge opportunity or shortfall in the portfolio, we would try to support those areas where our people can come up.
So now you are the head of the administration. So what will be efforts to improve the work culture here?
I think as it is, I thought Meghalaya is one of the better place to work with, and since there's a clearly laid out plan and this thing there, I'll carry the team along and try to set clear target which is already set and try to fulfill that in time. It will be an outcome oriented thing as already declared by our Honorable Chief Minister and this thing. We look into what is the outcome or output of every plan in the project.